Thank you for watching this Hooked on CNC video about carving name tags. This name tag is being carved at a red oak. Here you see it carving the back, and right here I'm flipping it over to the front side to cut the front side where the letters are on the name card. Using a V-carve bit, I carved the letters into the pocket, which are fairly small in size, and then I do the outline of the raised letters, which is the first name. In this case, it'll be Lee. This card will say Lee Custom Wood Carving with my webpage address on the bottom, which is hookedoncnc.com. After the letters are all cut, we use a super glue that is very thin, and I put it on top of the letters and into the grooves of the V-carve. That helps protect the letters from breaking out and lasting much longer and remaining clear and sharp. After the super glue dries, I paint the inside of the V-carve letters in the pocket and the top of the larger letters on the raised envelopes to make it the lettering stand out, easily readable. Instant cure, very thin, super thin. Here, you'll see I use a felt tip pen very much like pens you're used to using, except this pen has paint inside of it. And every time I dab it up and down, it pumps more paint into the tip. And what I'm trying to do is flood the bottom of the V-carve groove, which is cut, to completely fill it up. And no worries about the paint that's getting on top of the wood, because we're going to cut 2.5 hundredths off the top of that, and we'll leave a very smooth border, very easy to read. This is a 1/16 end mill. I use it to cut the small areas around the letters and get out. And then once this is done, I use a 1/8 end mill. This bit is so small I can only take very small cuts at a time. Here you can see the end result of the 16th end mill. This is the 1/8 end mill, taking out the larger areas. And if you look where the V carving is done, you can see the lettering is very sharp now that the surface area has been carved down just enough to get rid of the excess paint that was on the surface, leaving only the paint inside the groove itself. Here I'm using a 1/8 end mill to cut out the name tag. It doesn't need to go very far because the back of it was hollowed out. If you have any questions about name tags or having anything carved at all, I specialize in photo conversion into 3D wood carvings. Contact me at area code 530-672-1132 or hookedoncnc.com, which will take you to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.